Today I'm going to show you how to make a t-shirt using the Cricut Maker and Cricut Design Space. I've only had my Maker for a few months, so I'm still pretty much a beginner. I turned a hobby into a small business that's starting to see some success. So I wanted to share with other people that it's very possible to make money while being stuck at home during a pandemic, or anyone else thinking about starting a small business or just wanting to make some extra money. Hi, I'm Ashley with AA Craft Shop, and today we're going to make a t-shirt using Cricut Maker and Cricut Design Space. Let's get started. For my materials, I have a Cricut Maker, heat press, a t-shirt, permanent vinyl, weeding tools, and my laptop with the Cricut Design Space installed. Now that we're in Cricut Design Space, we're going to select New Project, click Images, we're going to type in Dream and Create, enter. Select the first one and then insert images. I drag to the middle just so I can see everything more clear. I'm going to resize to 7 by 7. Make sure you hit that lock button so you don't accidentally change your sizing. I go over here and I select black. That way I make all three of my words the same color. You can make them whatever you want. Click Make It. I drag my words over to one side of the mat. Mine's just out of preference. Make sure you hit the mirror button when you're doing HVT, or you will iron on backwards. After you mirror it, you hit continue. Okay, now that we're here, we're gonna browse all material. I already have mine set as a favorite. Select everyday iron on, default pressure. It's gonna tell you which blade you need, and then we're going to load our mats. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, suggestions, comments, or tips, just leave them in the comments section. If you found this video helpful and got some use out of it, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. My social media links are in the description, and you can follow me there as well. I'll also put the link to my Etsy shop where I make all handmade items that range from custom resin art, faux leather earrings, fully customizable t-shirts, tumblers, and koozies. Once again, I'm Ashley with AA Craft Shop. Hope you guys have a great day. Happy crafting, y'all.